The topic of the presentation is facial emotion recognition using machine learning under the supervision of Yudhavir sir. Here a brief content of our presentation: introduction, literature survey, problem statement, proposed work, system design, implementation, result, conclusion, references. Introduction. Facial expression are the facial changes in response to person internal emotional states, intentions, social communications. Facial emotion recognition system is one of main application of machine vision that widely attended in recent years. It allows the machine to understand the emotions of human in turn, enhancing its effectiveness in performing various tasks. It serves as a socially intelligent software tool. Facial emotion recognition system is widely used in security, entertainment, human-machine interface. Various stages involved in facial emotion recognition system are input face image, pre-processing, feature extraction, classification, recognized emotion. Pre-processing. Pre-processing is a common name for operations with images at the lowest level of abstraction. Both input and output are intensity images. Feature extraction. Feature extraction is a process of dimensionality reduction by which an initial set of raw data and reduced to more manageable group of processing. Classification. Classification is a type of supervised learning. It specifies the class to which data element belong to and is best used when the output has finite and discrete values. Recognized emotion. There are such recognized emotion like a sad face, smiley face, happy face, etc. Literature survey. Facial emotion recognition has attracted much attention from behavioral scientists since the work from C. Darwin in 1872. Facial action coding system made first attempt to analyze facial emotion from image sequences in 1978 by Paul Ekman and Wallace V. Ferguson. Zhang et al. Investigated two types of feature: the geometry-based feature and Gabor-Babbitt-based feature. First, facial emotion recognition. Face detection method. Hard classifier finding faces by skin color, feature based. GABA wavelets, feature based clustering. Appearance based, active appearance model. Classifiers HMM, SBM, DVM.
Here the next slide is problem statement. Now the main question arises, what is the basic aim of our project which we are making? So here it is, to design and implement such software system that recognize facial emotion for frontal faces using static images or also through webcam. Next point is that the system should work on embedded platform. That means it must support stable operation. It works for high recognition rate. Next, it is further used for portable things, for mobile identification and authentication. Moving on to the next slide, that is proposed work. So in this project, facial emotion recognition system, the algorithm which we are using, it is local binary pattern algorithm. It is used for feature extraction purpose. This is done by labeling the pixel of face image. The purpose of using local binary pattern is it increases the accuracy rate of facial emotion recognition. We have seen that previously using algorithms was slow in searching the facial expressions and feature extractions. Their accuracy also varied. The classifier we are using is support vector machine. This classifier reduces the system complexity. which which was the biggest challenge faced by former classifiers.
The next slide is system design. System design is the process of defining the architecture. So this is the data flow diagram of the system design, in which we firstly take the image as an input, and then the next step is phase acquisition, and from phase acquisition we generate the frames, and the fourth step is phase detection, in which we detect the phase, and the fifth step is feature extraction, in which we extract the features of the image, and then the classifier, and then we recognize the emotions. The emotions will be like happy, sad, etc. The next slide is activity diagram. Activity diagram are the graphical representation of workflows of stepwise. Like in this, we have to start first, and then we take image as an input, and then we detect the face, and then the important features will be extracted, and the fourth step is emotion detected by the system, and then the emotion is displayed on the screen. The next slide is implementation. So we use the programming language Java and the framework OpenCV and MATLAB interface. OpenCV is computer vision. The next slide is result. Here is the screenshot of the live results. We also written the code. So this is the live example of our project. The next slide is also a result of screenshot of codings, like we do the coding in Java and use the OpenCV and MATLAB interface as our frameworks. The next slide is conclusion and future scope. So, development of a facial emotion recognition system, implementing the computer vision and enhancing the advanced feature extraction and classification. It focuses on improving the performance of the system and driving more appropriate classifications, which may be useful in many real-world applications. Like we use a face unlock features in our mobiles, so it is also an example of facial detection. The third point is this system can be used in detail in security systems, which can identify a person in any form of expression he presents himself. Like in future, we also detect or attendance systems are based on facial emotion recognition. The next slide is references. So here are the references which we take for our project. Thank you.